So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Chemistry exam revision series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic chemical combination. So guys, this video will be about the water of crystallization, efflorescence, the liquescence, and hygroscopy. So here, like I said, we just have only this one question under this topic. So let's go ahead and check out the question. We have, when anhydrous cobalt chloride paper is exposed to water, what color change is observed? All right, guys, we have A, from pink to blue, B, from blue to pink, C, from blue to white, D, from white to blue. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's from blue to pink. Actually, anhydrous cobalt chloride paper is usually blue in color in the absence of water. So whenever it comes in contact with water, it undergoes a color change to a pink color due to the formation of hydrated cobalt chloride. So guys, that's the answer to this question here, and that's the option B. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have any question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, don't forget to share this video with your friends to enable us to reach out to more people out there. And finally, we want to also encourage you guys to join our YouTube channel community, where you get premium information regarding JAMB updates and all that will help you as you prepare for your forthcoming JAMB examination, guys. So this will be all for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.